50% off and order online with free shipping at the LitBlinds store on YouTube channel. Impressive style for wall panels and ceiling panels. Wall panels offer a versatile solution for interior design, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetics to transform any space. These panels come in a variety of materials, from classic wood to sleek metal and innovative composites, allowing for endless customization to suit different styles and preferences. Whether used to add texture, create focal points, or simply enhance the overall ambience, wall panels provide a sophisticated touch to residential and commercial environments alike. Beyond their decorative appeal, they also offer practical benefits such as sound insulation, thermal regulation, and even moisture resistance in areas like bathrooms and kitchens. With easy installation and maintenance, wall panels are a cost-effective way to elevate the look and feel of any room, making them a popular choice among designers and homeowners seeking to make a lasting impression. Whether aiming for a contemporary minimalist aesthetic or a rustic charm, wall panels provide a versatile canvas for expressing creativity and enhancing the visual appeal of interior spaces. Wall panels are not merely decorative elements but integral components of interior design, serving as canvases for artistic expression and functional enhancements. With their myriad of textures, colors, and patterns, wall panels offer endless possibilities for creating unique and captivating spaces. They have the ability to evoke a range of emotions, from the tranquility of natural materials like stone or bamboo to the modern elegance of sleek, glossy surfaces. Moreover, wall panels provide a platform for creativity, enabling designers to experiment with innovative shapes, lighting effects, and interactive features that engage and captivate occupants. In addition to their aesthetic value, wall panels contribute to the overall comfort and functionality of a space. They can improve indoor air quality by incorporating eco-friendly materials and finishes that are low in volatile organic compounds (VOCs). Furthermore, certain panel systems offer advanced features such as built-in lighting, integrated technology, and acoustic treatments to enhance user experience and productivity in commercial environments. From residential living rooms to corporate boardrooms, wall panels have become synonymous with sophistication and style, offering a timeless elegance that transcends trends. With their versatility, durability, and sustainability, they represent a sustainable design choice that not only beautifies interiors but also enriches the lives of those who inhabit them. Whether used as statement pieces or subtle accents, wall panels have earned their place as essential elements in the modern design lexicon, shaping the way we perceive and interact with the spaces we inhabit. One of the primary advantages of ceiling panels is their ability to add texture and depth to an otherwise plain surface. From traditional coffered designs to contemporary geometric patterns, the variety of panel styles allows for endless creativity and customization. Additionally, ceiling panels can be integrated with lighting fixtures, HVAC systems, and sound-absorbing materials to optimize both form and function. In commercial settings such as offices, restaurants, and retail spaces, ceiling panels play a crucial role in shaping the overall aesthetic and ambience. They can help define zones, create focal points, and establish a sense of scale within large or open-plan environments. Moreover, certain panel systems offer modular or grid-based configurations that simplify installation and facilitate maintenance, making them a practical choice for commercial projects. In residential settings, ceiling panels can be used to enhance the architectural character of a home, adding visual interest to entryways, living rooms, and bedrooms. Whether installed as a statement piece or integrated seamlessly with existing decor, ceiling panels have the power to transform any space into a sophisticated and inviting environment. Overall, ceiling panels represent a versatile design solution that combines beauty with functionality, offering endless possibilities for enhancing the style and comfort of interior spaces. Whether used in commercial or residential settings, these panels have the potential to make a lasting impression and elevate the overall quality of design. Moreover, ceiling panels can contribute to energy efficiency by providing additional insulation. By trapping heat in the winter and blocking it in the summer, insulated panels help maintain a comfortable temperature while reducing heating and cooling costs. This not only benefits the environment by conserving energy but also results in significant savings for building owners and occupants over time. Furthermore, ceiling panels can be engineered to meet specific safety requirements, such as fire resistance and smoke suppression. In commercial buildings, where safety regulations are stringent, fire-rated ceiling panels provide an added layer of protection, helping to prevent the spread of flames and smoke in the event of a fire. This enhances the overall safety and security of the occupants and minimizes property damage. Additionally, ceiling panels offer practical advantages in terms of installation and maintenance. Many panel systems are designed for easy installation, allowing for quick and efficient assembly without the need for specialized skills or equipment. Once installed, ceiling panels are also relatively low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning to keep them looking fresh and attractive. Overall, ceiling panels are a versatile and practical design solution that goes beyond mere decoration. From improving acoustics and energy efficiency to enhancing safety and ease of maintenance, these panels contribute to the overall quality and functionality of indoor spaces, making them an invaluable asset in both commercial and residential settings. Ceiling panels also present opportunities for incorporating advanced technologies and innovative features into interior spaces. For example, modern ceiling panel systems can seamlessly integrate lighting fixtures, sensors, and smart controls to enhance user experience and efficiency. LED lighting panels can be embedded directly into the ceiling, providing customizable illumination options that adapt to different activities and moods. Integrated sensors can monitor occupancy, daylight levels, and air quality, allowing for automated adjustments to lighting, heating, and ventilation systems to optimize comfort and energy usage. Furthermore, ceiling panels can serve as a canvas for artistic expression and branding in commercial environments. Customizable designs, graphics, and logos can be printed directly onto panels, allowing businesses to showcase their identity and create memorable experiences for customers and employees alike. In retail settings, ceiling panels can be used to guide navigation, highlight merchandise, and evoke specific atmospheres through creative lighting and visual effects. In addition to their functional and aesthetic benefits, ceiling panels contribute to sustainable design practices by incorporating eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes. Many panel systems utilize recycled content, renewable resources, and low-emission finishes to minimize environmental impact and promote indoor air quality. By choosing sustainable ceiling panel solutions, designers and building owners can support green building initiatives and reduce their carbon footprint while creating healthy and resilient spaces for occupants. Overall, ceiling panels represent a versatile and dynamic design element that offers a wide range of benefits for indoor environments. As the demand for flexible, customizable, and sustainable interior solutions continues to grow, ceiling panels remain a valuable tool for architects, designers, and building owners seeking to create innovative and inspiring spaces.
Required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LitBlinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LitBlinds.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LitBlinds.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.